The cases take a long time, but when you first meet a client, you really want to determine two things, as in any tort case, liability and damages. You want to see if there's a way to establish clearly that the government has been victimized by fraud in the case of a False Claims Act case. And then you want to see how extensive that fraud is. Oftentimes one is dealing with a healthcare case, and therefore there can be patient harm issues, which obviously makes the case one that the government is more likely to pursue. But at the same time, fraud is about the ability of a defendant to go out and rip off the government, and that's the underlying issue that we're trying to determine and see how extensive it is. So it's a pretty extensive analysis, because while the False Claims Act is pretty clear in many aspects, the government's involved in so many different kinds of businesses that determining when a case involves conduct that you can go after is a complicated matter. The government's involved in healthcare, but it's also involved in defense contracting. It's involved in grant funding. Even within healthcare, it's involved in many sub-practices, nursing homes, palliative care, drugs, medical devices. So it's a continual effort to learn from the client their particular area of expertise and apply some knowledge of the law to that, and see if we can create, or have, I should say, the facts to support a really good case.